Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi lettuce, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh napa cabbage, a crisp Korean radish, and vibrant green onions. For the flavorful paste, have gochugaru, minced garlic, fresh ginger, and fish sauce ready. Remember to thoroughly wash and properly drain all your vegetables before moving on to the next stage. This ensures a clean and crisp foundation for your kimchi. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. Begin by cutting your napa cabbage into uniform 2-inch pieces. Then, generously salt the cabbage and let it sit for approximately 2 hours. This draws out excess moisture. While that's happening, slice your Korean radish into thin matchsticks and chop your green onions into 1-inch lengths. After 2 hours, thoroughly rinse the salted cabbage under cold water and gently squeeze out any remaining liquid. This step is crucial for the perfect texture. Next, we will create the heart of our kimchi, the flavorful paste. In a large mixing bowl, combine your gochugaru, finely minced garlic, freshly grated ginger, and a good splash of fish sauce. For a touch of sweetness and to help bind everything together, add a small amount of sugar and a spoonful of glutinous rice flour paste. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a vibrant, uniform paste. This aromatic mixture will infuse your lettuce with incredible flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Wearing gloves, gently mix the prepared cabbage, radish, and green onions with your vibrant kimchi paste. Ensure every piece is thoroughly coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi lettuce tightly into an airtight container, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your preference for sourness. After this initial fermentation, transfer it to the refrigerator to slow the process and enjoy your homemade kimchi lettuce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.